This video is brought to you by the people at MOC1 Solutions. I just got off a call with OSHA. They're targeting facilities like yours next month. They're specifically looking for environmental violations that most companies don't even know they have. Here's what they won't tell you. The facilities getting hit hardest are the ones flying blind on environmental conditions. Temperature fluctuations, humidity spikes, air quality issues, these aren't just comfort problems, they're compliance nightmares waiting to happen. That's where MOC1 Solutions comes in. Our AI-powered environmental monitoring systems catch these issues before they become violations. Real-time alerts, automated responses, and intelligent analytics that keep you ahead of inspectors and disasters. Don't wait for OSHA to knock on your door. Visit www.moc1solutions.net and see how we're protecting facilities just like yours.